Hello, kids. How are you? Are you feeling all right? That's good. Miss Anne is also doing good. Are you excited to see and play with teacher and your other friends? You are? Oh, that's great. But don't worry. I know that you and I and all of our friends will meet each other again very soon, okay? But for now, Miss Anne will be teaching, will be playing, and we will have fun together using this video, okay? But before we proceed to our main lesson, I will be teaching you a new song, and it's called Can You Say Hi? What is the title of the song? Can you say hi? Good. So let's play the music. This is a very short song. Just follow Miss Anne. Can you say hi? Can you say my? Can you say friend? Can you say hi, my friend? Hi, my friend. Hi, my friend. I'm so glad you're here and I'm here for you. Can you say I? Can you say love? Can you say you? Can you say I love you? I love you. I love you. I'm so glad you do and I love you too. Great! Good job! You're a good follower. Now we know another song. Every time that Miss Anne will have a short video about our lesson, we'll go ahead and sing that song, okay? Okay, great. So for today, I've decided to teach you about the planets. So the topic for today is going to revolve around solar system, and they are called planets. So planets are part of our solar system, and they revolve around the sun. So we have 8 different planets. Can you say planets? Okay, good. So let's start with this. The 8 planets, in their increasing order distance from the sun, are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. So we have how many planets? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have 8 planets revolving around the sun. And we will talk about them one by one. So are you ready? Okay, good. Let's start with Mercury. Can you see Mercury? Here. Mercury is the smallest planet. So our Mercury is nearest to the sun. Our planet Mercury is nearest to the sun, which is why it is very hot during the day and very cold during the night. So again, the first planet is Mercury. Can you say Mercury? Louder. Mercury. Good job. Next, the second planet that we have is called Venus. Can you say Venus? Good. So, Venus is the hottest and brightest of all planets. It can be seen in the morning and it can be seen in the night or in the evening. So, other people call Venus as the morning star or evening star. But again, it's called planet Venus. Can we say Venus? Good. So let's have a review. First is Mercury, second is Venus. Good job. Okay. Next, let's go to our planet Earth. Can you say Earth? Earth. Good. So, Earth is where we live in. Did you know that 70% of the Earth consists of water? Which is why it is called the blue planet. The Earth is the only planet where life exists. So people, animals, all other living things can only exist in the Earth. So what is the third planet? What do you call it? Earth. Okay. Next, the fourth planet that we have is Mars. Open your mouth and say Mars. Okay, good. Mars is also known as the red planet. As you can see, it's color red. So other people call it red planet, but it's because this planet consists of red soil and rocks. That's why the color is red. So what is this planet again? Say it. Mars. One more. Mars. Good, you're following. Next, the fifth planet and the biggest is what we call Jupiter. Can you say Jupiter? One more. Jupiter. Okay, good. So Jupiter, it is so big that it can occupy 1,000 of Earth inside. So that's how big the Jupiter is. It can occupy 1,000 of Earth in it. So what is our biggest planet again? It's called Jupiter. Okay, good. Now, the sixth planet that we have is called Saturn. Say Saturn. Good job. So, Saturn is the second largest planet and it's yellowish in color. As you can see, it has a very beautiful ring around it. And it is made up of ice and dust. So what is the second biggest planet? What do you call this? It's Saturn. Great. So let's have a quick review from the first up to the sixth planet, okay? So Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, and the seventh planet is Uranus. Good. So can you say Uranus? Open your mouth again and say Uranus. Good job. So Uranus is composed of a thick layer of gas. Hence, it's colored or it's bluish in color. So what is the 7th planet again? It's Uranus. Okay, amazing. And last but not the least, the 8th planet is what we call Neptune. Can you say Neptune? Neptune. Okay, great. Neptune, as this is the farthest from the sun, cold winds blow in this planet or blow here every night and day and at a very high speed. So that means when someone tries to go to Neptune, it would be very, very extremely cold. And I don't think that life exists here. So what is the 8th planet again? It's called Neptune. Great. Now let's have a review of our 8 planets. One more time. It's Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Can we do it a bit faster? Oh, you can. Okay, let's try. Ready? Let's do it in order. Go. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Good. How about let's do it even faster? You like that? Okay, at the count of 3, okay? 1, 2, 3, go. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Good job. Well, let's see and let's try to check if you have or if you can identify the planets without the proper order. I'll try, okay? Can you tell Miss Anne what planet this is? It is Jupiter. Very good. How about this? It is Venus. Great. And how about this? What is this planet? It's planet Uranus. Good job. Can you also tell Miss Anne what is the smallest planet? I can hear you. Can you tell me which is the smallest planet? It's called planet Mercury. Good. And which is the red planet? Which is the red planet? What do we call that? It's planet Mars. Good. And which planet do we live in? Planet Earth. Good. And last, which planet has a beautiful ring around it? That's the only one. Yep, that's right. It's Saturn. Great. So I think you now know the different planets that we have. So one more time, let's say it all together. And don't forget, it is Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. One last. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Good job! So I hope that you learned something today. In the next videos, we'll try and see if you still remember our previous lessons, okay? So that's all for today. Thank you so much for listening. Please take care of yourself. Do not go outside. Just stay at home. And I really hope to see you soon. Hopefully, this school reopens again so we can play and study all together, okay? So Miss Anne is always here for you, and I love you. I miss you. Bye-bye.